Welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification of videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today we are going to be making buffalo chicken sandwiches. If you'd like to see how I make the super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I'll have the recipe written down below how you make the buffalo chicken sandwich. We are going to pound our chicken first so it is nice and even and not too big on one side, so it'll cook evenly. I found this tip from Sam the Cooking Guy. Check out his videos. He's got great tips and some great foods. So we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in. The reason why we're going to put olive oil in, it helps it from breaking up. You don't want to put too much, but it's really solid in here. My camper's a little cold. So it's not as much as it looks. We're going to lay it flat, get all the air out. And we're just sealing it closed with all the air out. We're going to massage the oil in. And we're just going to pound it. If you don't have a mallet, even if you've got a heavy duty olive oil bottle, you can pound with that. And we have it all flat, and as you can see, it is not broken up. And I did it with the olive oil bottle. I have two I need to do. So we'll do it again, but this time I just use my mallet. A little bit of olive oil. Spread it out, make sure we get all the air out, seal it closed. We're going to rub the oil in and lay it, make sure it's all flat. It's wonky guys. It's all flat. Because my mallet, it's got ridges on both sides, I'm only using a flat end right here. Keep moving it around. If you need to, flip it over. Until it's all even. Top part's still a little big. And just keep flipping until you have it even. So now when we cook our chicken breast, it'll be a lot easier to cook. So when we cook from the top to bottom, it should all cook about the same time. Nice and even. As you can see, it's all flat. It's all flat. And now it's time to get cooking. We're going to take our chicken out of our Ziploc bag. We do need to dry it completely. So we need to get all the oil off. If you're careful, you won't get your hands all dirty. Okay, this is oiled off. I'm going to put to the side. This is to taste. It is Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning Blend. It tastes like buffalo seasoning. Put as much as you want in here to make it as spicy as you want to less spicy. We like a lot of spice. Got my stirring stick out, and I'm just stirring it in. Let's get a good mix. You also can use your hands, but that's easier. You want to make sure it's all mixed up. To our chicken, we're going to dash some seasoning on top. This is purely optional. I'm going to rub it in. Then I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. I have my frying pan preheating right now. Can't get it out. You want to get extra, try to get all the edges. All nice and hot. I'm going to take a pretzel bun. You can use any buns you like, but I think pretzel buns and buffalo chicken goes the best together. So I'm going to put butter on mine. And I'm going to put it in my frying pan till it's toasted. I'm using a nonstick pan. You can use a cast iron. A little bit more brown, a little more color to it, and it'll be perfect for me. That's enough color. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to take a little bit of oil, and we're going to put some oil in here. We are going to lightly flour our chicken breast. Make sure it's all floured good. Shake off any extra flour. Shaking it off. It's hard to see, I'm sorry. And we're just going to lay it down. And do the other one. There, I think this is a little better. Sorry. It's really hard sometimes when you just have like camera and tripods. Try and get the best views for you guys. We're going to cook these to the internal temperatures at 165. I'm going to shake this one off. I'm going to flip this one. Look how golden brown that is. They're both done. This one's at 165 and this one was at 165. So I'm going to take them out. Let's clean that off. That's there. There. And it's nice and golden bottom on the bottom. It's beautiful and it smells great. Both of them look gorgeous. To our bowl, I have melted butter, 2 tablespoons. We're going to add Frank's hot sauce, about a half a cup or so. Stir it up a little. I'm going to put this aside. It's cold now. I'm going to prepare our bun first. So to my bun, I'm going to put mayonnaise on both sides. Just a little bit. A little bit of mayonnaise. Do that now, because we're going to put our bun right. We're going to put our chicken right on it. We're going to put our chicken in here in our buffalo sauce. Get it really mixed up well. Be careful so you don't take off some of the breading. That's top. Here's the bottom. I'm gonna lay it right on top. Okay, see my chicken? I'm going to put, oops, I'm gonna put lettuce. Actually, I'm gonna put onions on first because I think it'll be easier to put on the bottom. Not too much. A little too much onions. Just leave those there. I'm in. I'm gonna put my blue cheese down, then my blue cheese and lettuce. I'm backwards today. This is bacon ranch blue cheese, but use any blue cheese you like. Or don't use it at all if you don't like blue cheese. A little bit of fresh blue cheese crumble. I'm going to spoon a little bit more on top. It's going to be a messy sandwich. Now we're going to put our lettuce down. Shoot. A couple onion rings. And we got a couple of onion rings and our tomatoes. And put a bun on top. We're going to serve this with some celery sticks. And carrot chips. I got ranch dressing right here to dip them in. I'm using a cupcake holder because it works perfect, and you can use it more. Just made up frozen fries and onion rings to go along. Put those down. It is time to try our buffalo chicken sandwich. It looks great and it smells amazing. And now finally the fun part. We get to try our buffalo chicken sandwich. Mmm. 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 So good. It tastes just like buffalo chicken wings. So good, so easy. It actually took me half an hour to put this all together. It's a great fast meal for the weekdays. Or even have on a weekend. And who doesn't love pub food? It's my favorite. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. Leave a comment down below for any recipes you'd like to see me make. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!